If you're getting a Fall Guys Epic Games account error, don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through the quickest fixes step by step so you can get back into the game fast. This is a super common issue, and in most cases, it's caused by server problems, account session issues, or a simple launcher connection glitch. So stay with me, and if this helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick gaming fixes. First, let's check the server status. This is the very first thing you should do, because if Epic Games or Fall Guys servers are down, the problem is not on your end. Open your browser and search for the official Epic Games status page, or check Fall Guys social updates. If the servers are having issues, the best fix is to wait and try again later. There's no point changing settings if the game services themselves are offline. If the servers are working, the next step is to re-log in to your Epic account. Open the Epic Games launcher on your PC, then sign out of your account completely. After that, sign back in using the same Epic Games account that is linked to Fall Guys. This refreshes your session and often fixes account authorization errors. If you had been signed in for a long time, this step alone can solve the problem. Now let's move on to launching the game the correct way. Always open Fall Guys through the Epic Games launcher, especially the first time after fixing an account issue. Do not start it from a desktop shortcut first if you're having this error. Open Epic Games Launcher, go to your library, and launch Fall Guys from there. This helps the launcher properly connect your account and verify everything before the game opens. If the issue still continues, the next fix is to verify the game files. In Epic Games Launcher, go to your library and find Fall Guys. Click the three dots next to the game, then choose Manage, and then click Verify. Epic will now scan the files and repair anything missing or corrupted. This can take a few minutes, but it's one of the best ways to fix account-related launch problems caused by damaged files. Another very important step is to disable any VPN if you're using one. VPNs can sometimes interfere with Epic login, authentication, and game connections. Turn off your VPN completely and make sure you're using a stable internet connection. If possible, switch to a reliable Wi-Fi network or use a wired connection for better stability. Once the VPN is off, restart the Epic Games launcher and try launching Fall Guys again. If you've made it this far, there's a good chance one of these steps has already fixed the issue. If not, go back and repeat the login step carefully, because account sync problems are often temporary, and clearing them with a fresh sign-in can make all the difference. And that's it. You now know how to fix the Fall Guys Epic Games account error using the most common and effective methods. If this tutorial helped, please give it a like, subscribe for more gaming guides, and I'll see you in the next one.